everyone!
I'm Attila.
And I'm Gabby.
And this is Attisway. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today is 14th of September, Gabby.
Yes.
So today is 14th of September. We are going for a ride for 2 weeks time. We are going to Turkey. Today we're gonna cross Bulgaria, hopefully. Then we will enter to Turkey. We want to ride on the northern part of the country on the Black Sea shirt. Then we will visit some places. We do not have a particular route which we want to follow, but there are some places which we want to visit. So if you have nothing else to do, just prepare some popcorn, take a cold beer and join us, guys, to our 2025 tour in Turkey. Let's go! This is the first border crossing between Romania and Bulgaria. I think they are repairing the bridge and we're gonna stay on the line here. Nothing we can do about it. And after 40 minutes which we was waiting here on the entrance to the bridge, finally they let us go. And over here is the sign with Bulgaria. Change some money. We have Bulgarian currency now. We are in Russe and we are going forward. It's 4:30 already, so definitely we are not going to Turkey today. We're gonna ride, let's say, for 2 more hours. Then we will look for an accommodation and we will continue tomorrow. Join us! Biala in Bulgaria. We stop on the side of the road, we have some late lunch, and now we are continue our way. So it's 6:45 in the evening. We are in Veliko Tarnovo, and we're gonna look some accommodation here. We are not going anymore today because it is beautiful, this town. We love it here. Let's find an accommodation and spend the night here. Ciao. So guys, we made it to Veliko Tarnovo. We find an accommodation. It's a small room, but the view it's
stunning.
Yes, it's priceless. It's on the top of the hill and we see the castle from Veliko Tarnovo. I will show you the room in a minute. So we have a small bathroom, but it's clean, it's nice. We have a shower over there, toilet, sink. A small room, like I said. But the pièce de résistance is the view. Over there is the city of Veliko Tarnovo. Here is the road, and over there is the castle of Veliko Tarnovo, the Tsarov castle. If you are looking to discover the beauty of Transylvania on the saddle of the top-of-the-line motorcycle, then Attisway Motor Rent is the place to be. Experience the thrill of the ride and stunning landscapes that await you. Book your motorcycle now at Attisway Motor Rent. Hello, very good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
We are in Veliko Tarnovo in Bulgaria. We spent the night here. This is day number 2 from our Turkish tour 2025. Like I said, we spent the night here in this beautiful town. We love this town because we've been so many times already in Veliko Tarnovo. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and we are heading now to the Turkish border. We have roughly like 200 kilometers from here, and after we're gonna cross to Turkey, we would like to go as further possible today, but we will see if we will be able to ride as longer we can or not. So join us, and it's gonna be something interesting on the road. We will definitely show you. Ciao guys.
Ciao.
about these guys? They are from United Kingdom with small mopeds. I think husband and wife. Very nice. How about this road, guys? We are back in time. We are in a small village now, but even outside of the villages was like this. Check this. We are back in time. So we made it to the border between Bulgaria and Turkey. We came like 6 kilometers on the highway in order to be able to buy some HGC card. So, we made it to Turkey. I think we stayed not more than 20 minutes and we are already inside in the country. Now we need to buy first we need to exchange money and then to buy that card for the highways. So let's see where it is. So guys, we stop on the very first post office right here in the border cross. I came dedicatedly on this border crossing just to buy this HGS card, because I said if it's highway, they're supposed to have, you know, on the post office this small vignette which we're gonna stick it, I mean a small sticker which you're gonna stick it on the motorcycle, but actually they don't have it, only for cars and trucks. They advise us to go in the very first town in Edirne and try there on the post office. Now we will do that and we will see if we will find or not. So join us.
If you like our adventure, hit the like button.
We finally made it in downtown Edirne and we start looking for the main post office, the PTT, where we should buy the HGS card. What we didn't know was that the post office is actually located in the pedestrian-only area.
So we ended up circling around in the narrow streets of central Edirne for quite a while, stuck in the traffic trying to figure out how to get there. Eventually, I decided just to park the bike and walk there. It was not the most pleasant walk, I have to say, especially wearing that motorcycle gear in that heat. Inside the post office, no one really speaks English, but after about a half an hour of waiting and trying to explain what I need, I finally managed to get the HGS card. It's basically an electronic toll pass. Once you buy it, they register your vehicle and the driver details in the system, and every time you pass through a toll road or a bridge, the cameras automatically scan your license plate and they deduct the fee from your HGS balance. By the time I was done in the post office, it was already getting late, so we decided not to continue the ride that day. Especially that some of our biker friends were also in Edirne, so we thought why not to stay in Edirne and meet up with them later. We even find a very nice hotel right in the city center, just about 100 meters from where we parked the bike. So we made it to the city center of Edirne. We find an accommodation. I'm gonna show it right now. Room number, and this is the room, guys. From 46 euro to 39. It's a huge discount. Nice bathroom, shower place and everything. Now we gonna take a shower and we are going out to have some lunch and dinner all together. And this is it for today. See you tomorrow. Ciao.